Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico from the Creativity Cave, and look at this awesome card that I have to share with you today. It's so easy, and it uses some of my favorite, the washi tape. This is from the Sweet Season Washi. And I have a couple of really cute tips to help you put this card together, but it is just such a great card for your holiday mass-producing cards, especially if it's, let's see, it's November 18th, 19th. Do you have your holiday cards done? I don't. So this is perfect. Okay, so by the way, we don't judge about that at the Creativity Cave. We just offer helpful solutions. I'm such a procrastinator. All right, I'm going to start with a panel of Very Vanilla. This is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and you can find all of the measurements right here in the description of my video, along with links to my blog post and all the supplies that I used so that you can recreate this card so easily. All right, I'm going to start by using some of my washi tape, and the Sweet Season washi tape comes with 5 little rolls of washi. I'm going to use these 3. I just wanted the red, the green, and then I picked gold, the gold stars, because I thought they were kind of fun. And you can use whichever ones you want. Each of those washi tapes has a little bit different metallic in it. So there's a silver one, a gold one, and a copper one. So that can also help dictate which foil you use for your reindeer. I used gold, as you can see. All right, so I'm just going to leave a little bit room at the bottom so I can stamp my sentiment, and then I'm just going to add my 3 layers of washi on here. It's so easy to do. If you can just hold on to the washi. That's my personal problem, though. So I'll just put that on, and I just love washi because it's easy to rip off, and then you just adhere it to the back and everything is awesome. All right, and my last one is this beautiful garden green one. And I just think washi tape is such an easy way to add a little bit of color and a little bit of fun to your cards, and it's like self-adhesive. So that's kind of awesome. Of course, who would not appreciate that? Okay, now while this washi tape is kind of red, I'm actually going with some cherry cobbler to coordinate with it because it's so nice. This is kind of on the edge, so you can sort of kind of go either way. One of the other washi tapes is very much cherry cobbler. You can see it's a little darker. So what I like is you can take that shade and kind of tweak it to work with your own color choices. Okay, so I'm going to stamp Happiest Christmas Wishes. This is from the Dashing Deer stamp set, which, by the way, have you seen? This is such an awesome bundle. If you want it, I definitely recommend ordering it like right away, because this is one of the framelets that go with this is one of the items that's expected to sell out probably sometime this week. So definitely get on it if you like it. And I really do this is probably my favorite Christmas bundle in the holiday catalog because it's just so sweet, and we've never had anything quite like this. I also think the stamps are great for masculine cards even after the holidays is over. And one of the things I really like about this stamp set is there's a thank you sentiment, so you can send thank you cards featuring the stamp set, which I think is really nice, along with your Christmas cards. So I like that you have the versatility to do both in here. All right, so I'm just putting some mini dimensionals on here so I can pop my reindeer up onto my card like so. And when I was making this card, I loved this. I was so excited about this, but I definitely wanted to really punch the card up and, make it fancier, make it, it's a really simple card, but what could I do that was easy, that would really make it shine? So I am going to adhere it to a coordinating layer of garden green cardstock. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I'm also going to take some of my mixed satin ribbon. Now, I have a funny story about this ribbon. So when we were on the Alaska cruise, we had all of our presents were wrapped in this ribbon, and I saved the ribbon. I know I'm not usually kind of like that. I don't save wrapping paper or anything, but this ribbon, if you just touch it, it feels buttery. It's just so soft and beautiful. So I kept all of the ribbon off of all of my gifts. It was like a roll practically. I mean, there was a lot of ribbon. So anyway, I still am using it, but I'm just going to tie a small bow like this. And then what I did was I took this, adhered it to my card with a glue dot, and put it right on here like so, kind of across the corner. And then rather than have those ends kind of stick out, I instead just took and wrapped them around my card like this. And I thought that looked even fancier, actually. So I loved that look. So I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on either side, kind of like that and like that. And then we'll trim it off. I just wonder how many more cards can I make with this leftover ribbon. I think this might be my last piece. But I've done pretty well because, like, you know, there's kind of the knots where it was tied and stuff. I find if you lick your fingers and then let it dry, it works pretty well. But that's a secret. Don't tell people because they don't want to know that I've licked their card. Are you guys dying yet? Okay. So isn't that beautiful looking? I think that looks so pretty. I'm just such a genius sometimes. I don't know. All right, now I also have my card base here, which is just a regular half sheet of cardstock, and I will go ahead and pop this up onto my card, because you know me, I love to pop things up. That sounds so dirty. Oh, but it's not, because it's card making. It's fun. Okay. I hope I'm brightening your day, by the way. All right. If you loved this, join me live Mondays at 3 p.m. Central, and you'll get a kick out of all that I have to share, which reminds me, I have some good stories for today's live, so I can't wait to share them with you. All right, there is my card. Isn't that pretty? Now, we can do one more thing if you'd like. You can also put... Sorry, I forgot to grab this piece before I started my video. I'm reaching for... another sheet of vanilla. Okay, so this is going to go on the inside of my card, and I'm just going to stamp a little on the inside. So in here we've got this pretty little kind of border thing. So I'm just going to stamp that, well, down here at the bottom, and then I'm going to add the other sentiment. This is like the innie sentiment for the inside of my card. I'm gonna put that right here. Ooh, we should make sure, yes, it's right side up. Oh, it's just a little crooked. Let's try that once more. Whew, that was better. All right, and then we'll add that little border. Oh my gosh, I was seriously considering, what have I been doing with my stamping all these years? Okay, so that's kind of cute. And then we can just adhere that to the inside. No one will ever know we messed up on the back. All right. Isn't that pretty? So I hope you loved this. If you need to purchase any of these supplies, I would so appreciate your business. I have a fantastic VIP rewards program that I would love to welcome you to, and all of those details can be found on my blog. Again, there's links to all of the items that I've used right below this video, as well as the dimensions and links to my blog. So thank you guys so much for stamping with me today. I will see you very soon. Bye.